Hello and welcome to Brighton Maths at Home. For today's little game, we're going to be using a magnetic dartboard. Just so to be clear about this, there are no spikes or anything dangerous being used in today's lesson. Now, I know that not everyone will have a board like this at home, but what you could do, if you don't, have a look around and see whether you have any toys that have some kind of scoring to them. So that could be tiddlywinks, or it could be some, pinball game that happens to have some scoring on it. But if you don't have anything like that, then don't worry, because just look back to my video where we used some Duplo bits and we threw them into pots and pans. A pot or a pan could be the target. The real thing I'm going to demonstrate today is how we're going to use this setup with scoring to do some subtracting. Let me hold that up a bit. So what we've done, we have drawn 3 lines to signify 3 tens or 30. And those will be regrouped into ones if they need to. So we've got 3, we're going to use 3 of these magnetic safe darts. Well, that's stuck. So what score did you get with your first dart?
I got 18.
So will we be subtracting any tens from your 30 here?
We'll subtract 1 10 and we'll regroup one other 10 into 10 ones, and then you take away 8, which equals 2, so it's 12.
So the first subtracting of 110 was very easy. Then we needed to take away 8. There weren't 8 here, so we're regrouping, and we're doing that by circling the 10, crossing it out, drawing an arrow to say where it's gone. It's gone over here. It's become ones. It's become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. And because we're subtracting 18, we need to cross out 8 of them. So now
You've got 2 left.
we've got 2 ones left here. So what is your score at the moment?
It's 12.
12. So it may be that in your next dart, you may win. Right, my turn. Now that's slid down to 7. Now I don't have any ones here at the moment. I've got, let's see if I hold it up, it might work a bit better. I'll do this here. This is my score. I've got 3 tens, but I don't have any ones, and I need to take away 7 ones. So let me show you regrouping a bit closer up. For this 10, I'm going to regroup into 10 ones, because 10 ones is the same as 1 10. It's just a bit easier for me to subtract 7 from. And now I can subtract 7. And that leaves me with, make them a bit clearer, 3 ones not crossed out, plus the 2 tens here, meaning my score is now 23. So I can say that 30, take away 7, is 23. And now over here, just to show you where my youngest son is at, my youngest son has subtracted this 10, he's regrouped that one, taken away 8 of them, there's 2 left there, so his score at the moment is 12. Let's see whether he can throw a dart to clear his score. If you get a dart which gets a score which is more than 12, it will still count as a win. No.
Redo.
We'll redo.
Yeah, that one's redo.
You can decide between you what your rules will be about.
That's triple 16.
Okay, we'll call it 16. We're not using the triple today because our score's too low for that. But 16 would be enough to clear 12. We can subtract the 1. Let's move it here. So if my youngest son has got 16, from his score, that's 10. There aren't enough ones. We're going to go below 0. Well, we can't have a negative score in today's game, so we're just going to say he subtracts the 12 and ends up in 0. And my youngest son has 1. But I'm going to have my go anyway, just to see how close I'll be, and also to see whether it gives me a chance to show you another.
Could you get the jackpot?
I could.
It's possible to draw.
It's possible for me to draw, so let's see if I can. I've got 13. I don't think it's enough to win. So let me show you how that would look. So we do know that my youngest son has won, but let me show you how I will work out my score anyway. So my score at the moment is 23. I'm going to take away 13, so I can take away the 10 quite easily. And actually, do I need to regroup? No, I've got 3 here that I can subtract straight away, which means I've taken away 13. And I'm left with exactly 10, but my youngest son, as we've already seen, has cleared all his score away, and so he is the winner. Well done.